Hi, my name is Lakshana Sri. I am studying BE degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Now I will talk about business model canvas. Business model canvas is a strategic management template used for developing new business models and existing ones. It is offer a visual chart with elements describing product value, proportions, infrastructures, consumers, and finance applications. The business model canvas can be printed out on a large surface so that groups of people can join starting and discussing business model elements with post note or board marks. It is a hands-on tool for understanding discussions, creative and analysis. It is also available in web-based software format. I will talk about building blocks, key partners, key activities, key resource, value proportions, consumer relationship, consumer segments, channels, cost structures, irrelevant streams. I will talk about business model canvas. I will talk about Daily Hunts, headquarter Bangalore, founder Virat Gupta, Sector News, founder 2009. Now I will talk about how it started. Daily Hunt, earlier known as News Hunt, was started by two employees, Umesh Kungrant and Chandrasekhar Sholin. It was created a symbol app in 2009, but later in 2011 got acquired by Virat Gupta. Virat Gupta is founder of Viren's Innovation. He had started his added service VAS company that provides SMS on jobs, matrimony, property, news and education to subscribe from around the country. In 2015, he renamed Newsant as Daily Hunt. Now I will talk about Daily Hunt name and log. The name Daily Hunt was chosen because the app allows users to get daily news when searched determinedly. I will talk about working. A Daily Hunt is an Indian news and content application that provides a low in 14th Indian language, which includes major language like Hindi, Kannada and new a few from our 3000 content provides. Almost 90% of the user use the platforms in religion languages. It was user based of more than 285 millions. The unique proportions is that user can browse the topics of their interest and also share news over different social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Now I will talk about business model and revenue model. Impression based news. Large news media and publishing house Variant Daily Hunt shares the advertising relevance on the news screens with these players. Transaction based. Book and magazine publisher Variant. The platform act as a distributor for this book, collects the revenue from the user and share it with the publishers. Now I will talk about Daily Hunt. Newsstands, InShots, Business Insider, First Post, NDTV, Daily Hunt. Now I will talk about growth. Total monthly user on all platform, Daily Hunt and One India put together as of September 2018 was 138 millions, of which daily hunt accounted for 100 million. The time spent per daily activity user is over 27 minutes per person per day are reported out at the end of 2018. Daily Hunt has grown to serve over 300 million users every month and its short video app. Now I will talk about future plans. Daily Hunt plans to reach 600 of 725 districts of India from its country presence in 400 districts. Thank you.